Learn the easiest way to make a PAN card at home without any charges. Making a PAN card is a breeze when done from the comfort of your own home. With this simple guide, you can handle the process effortlessly. No need to worry about any fees or charges. Start by visiting the official website NSDL to PAN card applications. Fill in the required information accurately, ensuring there are no errors. Attach the necessary documents, such as proof of identity and proof of address. Once you have completed the form and attached the documents, submit your application online. Within a short period, you will receive your PAN card at your doorstep, completely free of charge. Making a PAN card has never been this convenient. Enjoy the ease of creating your PAN card quickly and easily, all from the comforts of home, without any charges.